Does it annoy you when you have to click Enable Editing almost every single time you open a Word document? In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Protected View permanently so you can open your files instantly. Protected View is a built-in safety feature designed to protect your computer from files downloaded from the internet or received via email. However, if you regularly work with trusted files, these extra clicks can get frustrating fast. Here's how to turn it off. Open Word and click on the File menu in the top left corner. Down to the bottom, select Options. In the Options window, click on Trust Center at the bottom of the left menu. Next, click the Trust Center Settings button on the right side. From the left sidebar, select Protected View. Here, you'll see three checkboxes: files originating from the internet, files located in potentially unsafe locations, Outlook attachments. Uncheck all three boxes, or just the ones you want to disable, and click OK, then OK again to save your settings. If we close this document and open it again, you can see that the yellow Enable Editing bar is completely gone, and we can start editing immediately. Keep in mind that disabling Protected View removes that extra safety buffer, so make sure you only open files from sources you trust. And that's it. If you found this quick tip helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more practical Office tutorials.
If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.